Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Welcome back to our channel. So if you read the title, we are going to be unboxing the February Slay Glam Box. I just love this packaging so much. I really do. This is their anniversary month. So last year in February was their very first box. And I actually was one of the first people to ever unbox this. I actually brought this to you guys. And I believe I was the very first person to unbox this. So I'm definitely excited to see what is in here. And congratulations, Slay Glam, for your 1 year anniversary. And I love supporting women-owned companies. I really, really do. So if you want to see what is in here and also my thoughts of, some drama going around, then just keep on watching. All right, so before we start, so today is the 18th. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday, Monday, was President's Day. It was the 17th and was also my mother's birthday. So if you don't know, my mother passed away on Thanksgiving. So she's been gone almost 3 months. The end of this month will be 3 months. And I put on my community page, a picture of her. If you don't know, my mother and my grandmother. And my grandmother also passed away last year in February. Isn't that weird? Oh my God, her 1 year anniversary is coming up. I believe it's the 24th. I just realized that. Okay, let me move on before I get emotional on that one. But my mother and grandmother lived together, and in September of 2018, they had a house fire. And so they stayed with me for a little bit. And I bought my mother some pajamas because they actually it was an electrical fire, and they went out of the house with literally the clothes on their back. And my mom didn't even have shoes on, and she was taken away to the hospital for smoke inhalation, or however you say it. If you don't know, my mom was on hospice. And so they had nothing. So the first thing I did was go get them pajamas, some underwear, but all that kind of stuff. And she was so happy. And she had came home from the hospital after a few days, and she was so happy to get to change her clothes and stuff. And I took that picture. She let me take that picture, and I posted on my community page. And they were the good memories. And I just want to thank everybody for all your kind words. It really meant a lot to me because it's really, really hard. Let me take a minute, guys. All right, sorry about that. But it's really, really hard. It's only been a couple months, and I just want to thank you guys for all your kind words. It really touched me, and it helped me. So thank you. All right, so let's get into this box. I want to address the little bit of drama that's going around about this box before I even start. And I'm just going to say it very easy. I don't know how to say it. I know there's a little drama going around, but I'm not really sure exactly everything that's going on. But with this and with BoxyCharm and storybooks, I don't know. But I do want to say this. In 2019, it was probably my hardest year and my blessed years of my life. I lost my grandmother and I lost my mother 9 months apart. How ironic. Mother and daughter, losing them 9 months apart. You carry a baby for 9 months, right? And my daughter in October, actually happened September 30th. October 1st was her open heart surgery. And I almost lost her twice that month. Once she was in heart failure due to blood clots. And she had one on her lung and two in her heart. And the two on her heart was going on the one on her lung, which was causing her heart failure. And so they had to do open heart surgery. They removed 10 centimeters of blood clots. Anyway, my daughter came home, and a week and a half later, she had to go back in because she got a blood infection in her leg. And she almost died. That almost could have stopped her heart. So then she had to get another surgery to put a vac in her leg. And she was in the hospital for another 2 weeks to get the infection. But she's here and she's doing amazing. A lot of you guys ask about Lexi. She's doing great. So my biggest blessing is I could have buried my daughter, right? They say things come in three. And so I'm very blessed to still have my daughter. So that's why I say it was the hardest year and was my most blessed year of my life. And dealing with all that and realizing, all that stuff, in 2020, I'm like, I don't want to have any drama. I want to keep all that bad energy in 2019, that can stay there. So for me, I just like the makeup. I'm excited about I love subscription boxes. I love doing first impression unboxings. That's why a lot of times, you know, it's not even open, and it's what I like about it. So I really don't have anything to say about the drama. Let's just keep it positive and about the makeup and leave that negativity to somebody else. All right. So like I said, this is the February box, and I'm so excited to be in the honor. I believe I'm probably one of the first ones to unbox this. So it's nice. So congratulations, and I wish you nothing but prosperity and growth and everything. All right. This is $24 a month. So it looks like that. All right. So there's quite a lot of things in here. So let me find the card. All right, so this is the card, Slay Glam Box. And I don't ever think she ever goes by themes. I don't remember. I haven't unboxed this in a few months, but there's always everything on the back here and tells you what everything is. It doesn't have the retail value, so at the end, I'll add everything up and leave it on the screen. All right, this says we are a little short in retail this month. Some brands are running sales for Valentine's. Okay. She also has a website for her brand, I believe. All right, so let's just start with the first thing that I see. So this is from Sourmay. This is, a lip liner. I love wearing lip liners. I wear them every day I wear makeup. So let's open this puppy up and give it a swatch and see if it's creamy or not. So this says it's a Sourmay Treatment Cosmetics Smear-Proof Lip Liner that's valued at $9.50. I'm trying to get it open. And my favorite that I use almost every day is from Gerard Cosmetics. I really like their lip liners. You should really check their lip liners out. I do have a discount code for them. It is just Ann in all caps. They will save you 30% off. And, you know, I didn't mean to put that plug in there, but it's true. I really like their lip liners. All right, so here we go. Now, some people like the ones that you can just kind of go up. They don't, what is that called? Not go up. You know what I mean? That can turn up. Some people don't like the ones you have to sharpen. I think these are more sanitary when you do sharpen them. So I don't mind it. And this is the color. It's like a nudie color. Now, they're not like extremely creamy, but it's okay. You know, I love the color. So I'm definitely excited to get that. Then we have another thing from Sourmay. Okay, so maybe I'm wrong. There's two things from Sourmay. This is the Smear-Proof Lip Liner that is $9.50. And this is the Sourmay Treatment Cosmetics Limited Edition Satin Eyeliner that's $18. So it is a black eyeliner. And I typically don't swatch them because we get so many of them. Is this black? Let me see. Oh, but that's so creamy. I don't know if this is brown or black. Let's see. What does it say? What'd you be? Dark brown. I really, really like that. This is so creamy. I'm definitely going to use that. I mean, I really, really like that. And how much did I say that was? $18. All right. The next thing is from Dirty Little Secrets, right there. And this is a baked highlighter, and it retail values for $14. I've tried their highlighters before, and they're all right. They're not my favorite, but they're not bad. I have used them, and I do like them, you know. It's just not my holy grail, you know. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. This is in the shade Flirt. All right. Oh, that's really, really pretty, though. And this is a baked highlighter. I don't know if I told you or not. Oh, that's pretty. So there we go right there. I'm going to do a couple swatches. Let me give you a little secret what you can do. I'm just swatching it for you guys to see the color right there. And let me tell you, that is really pretty. Let me tell you a little secret what you could do for these baked highlighters. If you ever get a highlighter and it's not pigmented, just kind of like scratch it. You can get something that's sharp, even something like this that's clean, and scratch the top layer off. And then sometimes it has a film over it, and then it'll be perfect. But for this, you don't need it, and that really is pretty. That's really, really nice. $14, I'll definitely get some use out of that. All right, so the next thing we have, One thing I like about Slay Glam Box is that a lot of times you always basically get some kind of palette, but we have the whole collection of the Manica D'Or lip library, and you can't beat that. What subscription do you know gives you all that? Because what they usually do is take 1 or 2 out and put it in there. So how much is this puppy? So this is $24 for 8, and they're really, really pretty. I'm not going to take it out or swatch any because, guys, we hit 40K, and I have a huge 40K giveaway coming up. And I want to put this in there because I have so many lipsticks. You know what? I always talk about it. Let me go get my lipsticks, and I'm going to show you how many I have. And these are the liquid lipsticks and the bullet lipsticks all mixed in. I'll be right back. This is my lipstick collection. Now, this isn't my lip gloss. This is my lipstick. This thing is filled, and it's very, very heavy. So do you see why I say I don't need any more lipsticks? All right, let me go put this back because this puppy's heavy. So now you see what I'm talking about. That's why I'm going to put this in a giveaway. But I do appreciate that you get 8 to choose from, and I really like it. And last but not least, this is usually the star of the show. So this is from Rasha B Cosmetics and Slay Glam. So this is her company. She does have a makeup line, and this is worth $27. And the packaging, first of all, I don't know if this is going to show on camera, because on camera it's kind of looking peachy. This is like a pinkish peachy, like holographic. I don't know, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the packaging. All right. Oh, it's actually pretty too. So it has a nice mirror. Let me take this off. And I love the fact when you can push it all the way down. And there we go. Those are the colors right there. Now me, I don't like a pressed glitter in an eyeshadow palette, but I know some people do. I just think the colors are absolutely beautiful. So let's do some swatches and see how the formula is. And this mirror is really, really nice. All right, so let's see. I'm just going to pick oh my God. These are like butter. Oh my God, let me do another matte. Let's see. I'll do this shade right here. Guys, these mattes, no joke, are extremely buttery. Look at this. That right here you may not see. It's a light color. It would be like a transition for me. That is really, really nice. I'm just wiping my fingers on a towel. That way I can go in with the shimmer shades. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Again, they feel really, really good. Wow, that's really pretty. So there are some shimmer shades right there. Let me swatch a couple more just to see if it is buildable. Oh my God, yeah. Look at that. I put that in. So pretty. This is gorgeous. I'm not going to touch the glitter shade because, like I said, I don't like glitter shades in a pressed glitter in an eyeshadow palette. But that's just a personal preference. All right, so I'm going to add everything up, and I will either leave the price over here or over here. One or the other, it will be there. I definitely think, I mean, this right here is $27, and it's definitely worth it, and the box is $24. So right there, and the packaging is beautiful. Like, I think you nailed it out of the park for this. I really, really like it. And the sleeve matches the packaging as well. And then on the back has some ingredients. So, and it says distributed by Rasha B Cosmetics. All right, so we got the palette. So let's recap what we got. Then we have 8 lipsticks, which I think is great. We have a beautiful highlighter right here. I think that is just gorgeous right there. I'll definitely use it. We have like a dark brown eyeliner right here. I'll definitely use that for my waterline. And then we have a lip liner. And this color lip liner, let me show you right here. We'll go with most of all these colors right here. And that's what I like. And that's everything that we got in here. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think with all the drama. What's going on? Are you like me? Want to be drama free? It's all about the makeup. At least that's how I am. And I definitely recommend this subscription. This month knocked it out of the park. But let me know what you guys think. And that's everything, guys. Please rate this video. So either give me a thumbs up, or if you didn't like this video, if you didn't like this subscription, then give me a thumbs down. Let me know. Make sure that you subscribe. And turn that post notification bell on so you could be notified for all of my future videos and for that 40K giveaway. You don't want to miss out on that. Trust me. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And thank you so much for clicking on this video, for watching this video, for having engagement, for either rating the video, so either thumbs it up or thumbsing it down, for leaving a comment. Don't forget to let me know how your day is. I really appreciate it. I really do. And thank you so much for all your kind words from yesterday. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. All right, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.